All right, well, tonight, all eyes are on Storm Track Live. After a long streak of mild weather, West Michigan bracing for a round of possible severe weather.
This system will bring heavy rain and the chance for damaging winds. The best team in West Michigan is on it tonight. We begin with Storm Team 8 meteorologist Ellen Baca.
So I want to focus in on the radar right now because we can see the current speeds of some of the showers and storms and see the actuality. So forecast models are great, but we like to start first with the radar because it's what's actually happening. It makes it much more clear to see what's going to be happening in the next few hours that way. So if we look at Storm Track Live, you can see that the system has materialized and it has some weaker parts like the rain that's rolling over West Michigan now, and it also has some stronger portions. And this is actually what we're keeping our eye on, is this batch of showers and storms that's back towards the middle of Wisconsin. So if you're seeing light rain right now and wondering where the big punch is, just know it's still coming. So light rain, again, from Hastings down to Battle Creek, over to Kalamazoo and South Haven. Over Lake Michigan, we have a few moderate downpours. These will be moving towards the South Haven area and Benton Harbor. Arrival time should be right around 6:08 or so, especially near the Benton Harbor area. We also have this smaller line that's moving up towards Holland. And these aren't expected to be too strong, but it's the first downpour. So again, moving up towards the Holland area and Port Sheldon. Grand Haven should see the arrival of these downpours at about 6:18. Zooming out and focusing in on the core of the storm, these storms are doing well with upper level support, so it doesn't really even matter as much that we have this low level cloud cover and that we also have some scattered showers out ahead of it. So arrival time on this one, it's starting to speed up just a bit. Should put it into the West Michigan area starting around 10 p.m. and then continuing on closer to midnight. So Grand Rapids, I wouldn't be surprised between 11 and midnight or so, and then the further south we get, closer to Kalamazoo and maybe closer to midnight. This system is expected to change as it moves, though, so we'll be talking about that in your full forecast. But we also want to talk about threats, so we want to turn it on over to meteorologist Matt Kirkwood to break that down for us.
Yeah, Ellen, every severe thunderstorm event or thunderstorm event kind of presents itself in different ways. And it looks like this one, we're really going to have to watch what Ellen was just tracking, that thunderstorm complex moving into Wisconsin, see if it takes on a bow configuration. This looks like more of a high wind event, and the Storm Prediction Center kind of thinks that as well, especially in the enhanced risk area. You can see within a 25-mile point, they have a 30% chance of a severe wind gust. What does that mean? Generally 58-mile-an-hour wind gust or stronger than that. And keep in mind, a lot of people are out this time of year camping and so forth, so it's quite busy across Michigan. So, have that Storm Team 8 weather app at hand, that radar at hand, and also you can also tune in to us as well, and we'll keep you updated right on through the evening hours. Also, it's not zero, but we do have a outside chance of a stray tornado popping up as well, about a 5% chance of that happening. So in terms of hail, about a 15% chance. So all the risks are there, but we're really looking at the primary focus to high winds. And if you have any loose stuff, such as on the deck or any garbage cans or what have you, make sure those are secure outside the house. Timing, it looks like sometime between 7 p.m. right on through the midnight time frame, then we should see things wind down quite a bit. We do need the rain, and it looks like we could get some beneficial rain. Hopefully it doesn't fall too hard and too fast, but some locations with some of the heavier cells certainly could pick up over an inch of rain. And this is kind of good news because the forecast ahead of us has a lot of dry weather, a lot of hot weather as well, and Ellen's going to have more on that later.
All right. Matt Kirkwood, welcome back. I haven't seen you in studio in a while. Ellen, thank you as well. As the system moves through, stay connected and stay ahead of it. We'll have constant updates on woodtv.com, our mobile app, and the Storm Team 8 app. We'll have a fresh update on that forecast coming up in about 15 minutes.